We got about 2 inches of wire exposed. I'm gonna clip off that jacket. Okay. You know what? I don't think we want that much wire exposed either, so we're gonna take a little bit off. Get that down to about 1 inch. We're gonna strip both of these back and get ready to crimp them up. All right, so now we've got the wires cut. We've got the jacket removed about 1 inch. And now we are going to strip the 2 wires that are sticking out. They look like they're about 22 gauge to me. So I'm gonna strip about, 1/4 inch off each one. And I'm gonna give it a little twist just to keep the wires from fraying on me.